Are back on the sound stage at the Spray Foam Show 2025 from Daytona Beach, Florida. My name is Heidi Ellsworth, and this sound stage is sponsored by Everest Systems. We've been having a great day. We've been talking to a lot of people here, and really from contractors to manufacturers, seeing how the trends in spray foam and coatings. And so we really wanted to bring the expert, and that is my dear friend Dylan with SWD. Dylan, thanks for
Good to
finishing
see you,
out our
Heidi.
day.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm thrilled to be here.
So, Dylan, let's go ahead, start with an introduction, introduce yourself, and tell us a little bit about SWD.
Yeah, so my name's Dylan Wheeler. I'm the National Sales Director for SWD Urethane. A little bit about SWD is we are a family-owned business. It's been owned by the same family throughout its entire existence, right? Which is pretty unique.
Very cool.
And
sorry, Dylan.
no, it's okay. Are we
Sorry,
good?
Dylan. Now we're on air. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Okay, so it's a family owned.
We're family owned, right? We've been around for 45 years, and we started from contractor turned distributor turned manufacturer, right?
Wow,
so,
I love it.
So, you know, we started out, we dabbled with things, and we tried different things, and then we ended up doing what we felt like was meant to be for us. And yeah, we've been a big, reputable player in the spray foam world now for quite some time, and don't see that changing anytime soon.
You know what? That's the heart of our industry, right? Is family. Is when you are with family, and especially when you have a family that starts a business. Yep. And then grows that way, and then wants to give back to other contractors and to the industry. That's, I don't know, I love that stuff.
Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, right, like that's what we're here to do from a manufacturing standpoint, whether it's wall foam or roofing. We want to help them make money. We want to make their life a little bit easier. We want them to run successful businesses. And, you know, at SWD, and from an industry standpoint, that should be the end goal after it's all said and done.
And the thing is, too, is they are also committed to the communities, right? Protecting buildings, having strong energy, insulation, all of those things that go along with this trade, to bring that next generation in with pride. I love that. So what are you hearing over in the booth? What are some of the contractors talking about? And I really want to talk about what you're doing on the roof, because we do love roofing. So tell us a little bit about what's happening over there.
So we've been having a lot of chatter. We just launched a new brand that's going to take us and diversify us into the roof restoration world. So we have our Quick Shield 155 product, which is our high density 2.5, 2.8, and 3-pound roof foam. And now we have launched Quick Roof, which is our restoration system. So we have everything from an acrylic coating to high solid silicones to mastics, primers, you name it, right?
So perfect.
We've filled out, and we have a complete offering to really take care of and service our customers on the roofing side of things.
Well, and roof restoration is the trend. And when you look at the growth of service and maintenance, you look at the restrictions around landfills, and you look at the need for energy savings, it makes so much sense.
Absolutely. And you go up there and you put a spray foam roof on, or if there's an existing roof, they all have to be maintained. So at the end of the day, we have to have products that service the customers and show the customers that we're listening to them whenever they come to us and they say that they have things that they need, and we take all that into accountability. And with us being a family-owned company, we're able to pivot and make moves and do things like that and be very, very nimble. So it's gonna be a fun adventure. You know, you guys got the scoop on it. This is the first time we've ever launched that product, so
we love it. Well,
it's going to be cool.
SWD is the leader when it comes to spray foam. You have been for decades. So now, really launching and adding the roof restoration, Quick Roof, and the roof restoration, that is going to just bring in all kinds of new. First of all, the people you already have who are installing your spray foam. Now have another opportunity to get onto the roof.
100%. We can take existing customers, where they also spray roofing foam and take them and offer them new products to diversify their portfolio, as well as take contractors, train them, and then get them on the roof spraying things. So it's kind of it's a win-win, right?
Yeah.
Like we said earlier, the goal is to grow and to help companies prosper and make as much money as possible, and that's the idea behind this as well.
Everything. And for the contractors out there who are roofing contractors who are like, how do I get into interior walls? How do I do more spray foam? This is the company that can help you go the other direction too. And I think that is really key in that diversification.
100%. Yep. We're here to help, and we're here to support you no matter what the business is. And if it's a product that we don't manufacture, we link you up with the people that can help. So that's
how we are in this industry.
That's how we are. We're big family. So.
I know. I love it. I love it. Well, thank you so much. Thank you for wrapping up our day. This has been the best.
Yeah.
And this is the end of day one. So be sure to keep joining us. Watch for a lot more coming from SWD.
Yep.
Check it out. It is a manufacturer that you want to get to know. And tomorrow we will be back. We have the contractor panel in the morning. And so please join us at 9 o'clock for that if you're here in Daytona Beach. And then we'll be starting tomorrow again around 2 o'clock. Plus, we have the weekly blend with Karen and I here on the soundstage in Daytona. So see you tomorrow and have a great evening.